Alright everyone, so I'm just going to do a quick update here on gold and silver for the members of the Birb nest. I've got requests to do updates on gold and silver more often than before, and yeah, let's take a look at gold and silver before we record the Bitcoin update. Alright, so gold haven't really happened haven't really happened much, yeah, since yesterday's update. We failed to reclaim this resistance area right here. We had a massive, insane, crazy fake out here on this last 4-hour candle happened, market wide. Funnily enough, the S&P 500 had a fake out, but it quickly recovered, more quickly than gold and silver and Bitcoin. So the S&P 500 is looking extremely strong. I think gold is looking strong too. And if you guys remember, for the on the yesterday's update on gold, I was looking for a good entry would be the RLC here with a stop below this wick, and if you took that setup, that would have turned out to be a beautiful entry. So if you're in that, if you bought the RLC here, you're in for a probably the best entry possible for the another move up. But I'm not sure that gold is going to continue up. It's looking quite bullish, but we need to reclaim this red box resistance first. So for me, that's the first area I want to get reclaimed before we enter. But if you're more, if you're willing to risk a little bit more, this would have been a beautiful entry. Right, so silver, same with silver here, right? So we marked out the green box right here as a possible entry for silver, and that turned out perfectly, right? We bounced up the RLC, we bounced up this green box support right here. So if you're bullish on silver from current prices, this would have been the best possible entry. And I think the setup we were looking at was something like this, right? With it stops below these and take profit up here. So I announced 4-hour trade on silver. Perfect. I'm actually going to enter a small position on silver here, and maybe gold too with a stop below these. Just a small position to position myself nicely in case we get a breakout. So maybe 0.5% risk, because if gold gets stopped out, silver will probably get stopped out too. So I'm thinking 0.5% on each of these positions will make me lose 1% of my account on those two trades, and I'm all right with that. So really, just to sum it up, gold need to reclaim this red box resistance like I talked about yesterday for a high probability trade, a break-in retest of these levels. These levels are basically 1950. On silver, we're seeing something similar with the reclaim of the around 27.5.6 area. But I do remember that if you want to enter before the breakout, silver is probably the best setup right here. So actually gold and silver is moving exactly as planned right now. So if you're in gold and silver, just sit back and relax and hopefully enjoy the ride to the moon station. Man, that's cheesy. But yeah, that's it. Gonna upload the video as soon as possible. Take care guys, and see you guys in my next video, which should be the Bitcoin update.